Okay, this is the vehicle. This is Cooking Bell again. Part 2. Jesus, they're everywhere! Oh, dude, that was sick! Ah! Run! Dude, are you in here? Get in here, Santa. Is there a gun right there? Gotta get some... Go, get in. I got a regular Glock. I just got a Glock. And, a shotgun. Shoot. Ah! I just got shot. I didn't even have a gun out. I'm gonna go out there and grab some ammo. Ah! Let me grab some ammo from in there. Dude, the helicopter just fell out of the sky onto a cop car. I just grabbed an M4. Dude, leave that ammo. Shit! There's guys everywhere out here. Help me! Oh! I was right. The guy's shotgun was still alive in there and you didn't even shoot him. Best in the business. Dude, let me get in there and get some kills. I can't warn you, dude. I'm running through there. Let me get the rest of the ammo that the guys come in here. Let me get that. Crap! Dude, just stand right there. Just crouch. Let me grab it. I have the one with the pistol. Let me get the Glock ammo. Dude, just crouch so we can all get the kills. There's a helicopter just landed. Okay, this is really creepy right now, dude. Honestly, we're just capping, just sitting here. No, these two look the same kind of for some reason. You guys look like twins. No. Dude, where are you going, you stupid retard? What is he doing? You know what he's doing? Stop pointing a shotgun at me, son. That's mine. There's a cop guy right there.
What are you doing, dude?
Ah! Ah! Why are you getting in the black car? Dude, don't get in the... Look at how many of those cars out here. I got a shotty. 8 bullets. Just grabbed a lot of ammo. Get in here, guys. I got this place covered. Get in. Is it? I'm telling the cops. Dude, who parked the thing right here? Ah, dude, right when I walk out there, I get capped. Ah, there's a billion. I keep getting capped every time I get out there. I'm trying, dude. I can't because they shoot me every time I try to get in. I'm gonna act like a civilian. I'm not gonna have a gun out. I can't get in. I can't get in. I can't get in. You blocked it up so I can't get in. Nobody can get in. Yeah, you gotta climb up on top of this car. Oh, there's no cops that are gonna come in here. Back it up so we can at least get some ammo. Move it a little over to the side then. Get in it. Hurry up. Want me to get in it? Okay. Go back it up, back it somewhere so they can't shoot it. Make it a big opening so if they run in, we can just cap them. Get in here now. Everybody in. Everybody in. Everybody in now.